It's another math day here with teacher Jenny. Join me for another topic. This time we're talking about tree diagram in our probability and statistics. When you say tree diagram, this is a diagram in which we will be expecting branches coming from one option or one outcome to another. So this is how we are going to do it. Let's have our first example here. Construct a tree diagram for an outfit of the day. The choices are the following. Upper, we have red shirt, blue shirt, and pink shirt. And then we have lower, we have jeans and shorts. Footwear, we have sandals, shoes, or slippers. So let's construct our tree diagram. So in constructing our tree diagram here, we will start with our first option. So we have upper. For the upper, we have our following options. We can either choose on red. So let me just represent my red shirt as R, blue shirt as B, and pink shirt as P. So it could either be red, blue, or pink. Next, we go to the lower. So under lower here, we have jeans and shorts. I'll be representing this one as J and S for this one. So again, we have jeans and shorts. There are two options on the lower. So we will be branching from the first option from the upper into two branches because again there are two options under the lower. So we have 1, 2, and from the second option here we will be also branching the same thing because again if you are choosing blue shirt, you will be choosing under the lower. It could be either jeans or shorts as well. If you are choosing on the pink shirt on the upper, you have your possibility of choosing the jeans or shorts also. So we have here JS, JS, JS. Now let's go to the footwear. So under the footwear, we have now 3 choices. So I'll be using or representing this one with the second letter because they all begin with the letter S. So this will be my A, this will be my H, and this will be my L. So I have 3 options to choose on the footwear. So that means from J here on the lower, we will be branching out to 3. 1, 2, 3. This could mean that if we choose the red shirt and the jeans, that means to say we have 3 options under the footwear. It could be sandals, it could be shoes, it could be slippers. Next, on your shorts, you can also have 3 options on the footwear. You have here sandals, shoes, or the slippers. And also with this one here. So we have again A, H, L. Then next, we have here another A, H, L. Now from here, this is gonna be another AHL. And then on this part here, it's gonna be another A, that's A, H, L. So that is now your tree diagramming or tree diagram. Now to write the possible combination of the outfit of the day, you can have it like this. So let's try to put that in the sample space because we're talking about statistics here. So we will be containing that one in the S symbol, which stands for the sample space. So this is now equal to the set of your possible combinations here are R, J, A. So we will be tracing branches here. So first branch here is for R, J, and A. So we have that one. Next one, we are going to still follow RJ and we have H. So we have RJH. Next one is going to be with the L. We still have RJ and then L. So next combination could be R again We still have an S on the lower, and then we have that as an A. So we have RS, A, and another RS, H here, and another L. So we have R, S, L. Next combination, we go for B, and then J, and another A. So we have here B, J, A. Next one, we have our H. So repeat that one, the BJ, and then H. Next, we go for BJL. Next, we have our B here going over to S. And then on the third choices or the third part, the footwear, we have your A. Then another one, we have your H. And then another one, we have our L. Next, we go to P here. Then going over to J. So we have our A here. Then we go back to PJ. Next one is H. Then going back again to PJ. Next one is L. Next, we go over to P and S. So PS. This one is A. PS again. And then we have our H, PS, and L. So there you go. That's the last one. So a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 possible outcomes. This can be obtained, by the way, the possible outcome, the total possible outcomes can be obtained through, or the number of total possible outcomes. Again, number of possible outcomes can be obtained through multiplying the choices here on the upper. We have 3 choices. Lower, we have 2 choices. And then on the footwear, we have 3 choices. Multiplying that one, that will be equal to 18. So we have there the number of possible outcomes in that particular combination. So that's 18. So let's go to another example. In an ice cream shop, customers get to choose whether it will be in a cone or a cup. They are to choose also a flavor and a topping. So the choices are as follows. For flavor, we have vanilla or chocolate. For topping, we have sprinkle, nuts, or strawberry. So let us now construct our tree diagram. So first, we get to choose between the cup. So let me just represent my cup as U here and my cone as O. So we have cone for O and a cup for U. Next one, we are to choose which flavor. So this one is for the flavor. We are now with 2 options. So we will be branching up to 2 options, which gonna be vanilla for V, chocolate will be C. So we have VC, and this one is gonna be VC. Next one, we have the toppings. So we have 3 choices or options here. We have S, we have N, we have, okay, let me change this S here. We have P here for sprinkle, and we have T for strawberry. So again, there are 3 toppings to choose. So we have 1, 2, 3. So we will be extending 3 branches on each of this because we have 3 choices. So we have P, N, T. This one also will be P, N, T. Next option here, we have 3 still, P, N, T. Next one, we also have 3 here. That's another P, N, T. So let's go for listing down the sample space here. We have to start with O, then going over to V. So we have OV, then we go to P. So P. Then we repeat OV here until the last third topping. So we have OVN, OVT. Next we go to OC. So OC here, we go for P. By the way, it's down here. Then next will be N. So OCN. Next will be our T. So OCT. Next we go to U and V. And then we go for P. So UVP. And then we repeat UV. So UVN. And then UVT. Next we go to UC and P. So we have UCP, repeat UC, then we have N, UCN, then we have T here. So UCT. There you go. So let's try to check. There are 12 outcomes here. So let's try to check if we are correct. For the first one, we are to choose between cone or cup. So we have two options. Times, there are two options for flavor. Times, we have three options for the toppings. So this is now 4 times 3, that's 12. So we are correct. So that is how you construct your tree diagram and to write the different sample or the sample space or the different possible outcomes. So once again, this is your teacher Jenny saying good luck in every challenges in your life and always remember it will be over soon. Thank you, and please do not forget to subscribe and share and like this video for more videos.